Čau visiem!
Čau visiem!
Mēs atgriežamies pēc vasaras brīvlaika.
Bet sezonu sākam ar dažādām spēlēm. Sāksim ar Half-Life 2.
Sāksim mēs jaunu spēli. Šī spēle ir diezgan veca, bet viņa ir arī diezgan interesanta. Tā, te mums tādi 3 varianti, ar ko sākt, un mēs sāksim ar, tā, pagaidi, 2, 3, nu, sāksim, jā, ar to pašu. Mēs arī izmantojam tagad programmu rakstīšanai, nevis telefonu. Vienīgi tikai programma visu pilnībā nerāda spēles sākumā, bet es domāju, tā nebūs problēma, jo pats galvenais ir pats spēles process.
Jā. Tā mēs sākam.
Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and...
Mēs gan nezinām, vai tagad šo ievada ekrānu rāda programma. Bet, ja viņu nerādīs, tad mēs tur to visu pēc tam montējot patīsim un saīsināsim.
Un tad sākam.
Nu, šis ievads vienalga, cik es atceros, būs ilgs.
Mēs tagad vismaz daļu zinām.
Mēs pēc tam programmā to patīsim uz priekšu.
Pārāk ilgi viņš iet.
Jā.
Mēs tagad zinām visu, kur iet, jo...
Mēs iepriekš izmēģinājām, vai tā spēle vispār strādā pēc sevis. Pie sākuma jau mēs izmēģinājām.
Tagad es aizmet lakiet. Tur.
Whether you are here to stay or passing through on your way to parts unknown, to city center.
This must be a mistake. I gotta stand and relocate.
About that beer I owe you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa. Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras. I've been working undercover with civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman! I expected more warning.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Well, Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alex is around here, somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Oh, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover. Pile up some stuff to get through that window. Keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
Tas nozīmē, ka viss ir pareizi.
Jā. šo mēs esam visu izmēģinājuši, tad jau zinām, kur iet. Oi. Es nevaru paskarēt. Šis vēl tas brīdis, kad vēl nevar. Tādā. Uz kuriem jāiet ir?
Ejam kaut kur.
Kuriem? Cita augšā es tā zinu. Nu, atceros pagaidām.
Tas pareizi.
Tāpēc, jo mēs esam darījuši tā uz turien jāiet ļoti augšā.
Un augšā.
Es augšā.
Oh, I thought you were calm.
He's one of us. I told you they'd be coming for us next.
This is what's wrong.
Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological
Tas durvis nevajadzēja, kad viņam tur atbrīvo. Skrienam. Vo, viss pareizi.
Jā, pagaidām vēl.
Skrien.
Tad kreiz pa malniņu ir jāiet. Jā. Un mēs nenokast. Un tad tiksim vietā. Šeit ne. Šeit no jāiet ir. Te iekšā.
Paspēju.
Tad liekas.
Tas laikam aizbēgt nebija iespējams.
Jā. Šādi arī jāgaida.
Dr. Freeman, I presume. You better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way. Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man of few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen. Through here.
Vo, viss pareizi.
Pareizi.
Funny you showing up on this day in particular.
Arī tāda arī.
It's a dangerous road to my father's lab. Good old house. Today we're finally on the verge of having a better way. Here, let me buy you a drink.
Gribu.
By the way,
Es gribēju taču dzert. Ko tu atvēri šito? Te man dzert gribējās.
Tu apmānīji.
Lamar, come out of there. Oh, hello, Alex. Well, almost all right. Lamar has gotten out of her crate again. If I didn't know better, I'd suspect Barney of trapping and... My goodness. Gordon Freeman. It really is you, isn't it?
I found him wandering around outside. Bit of a troublemaker, isn't he?
We owe a great deal to Dr. Freeman, even if trouble does tend to follow in his wake. I must say, Gordon, you come at a very opportune time. Alex has just installed the final piece for our resurrected teleport.
I can't take any credit for the breaking down.
Tā.
Your talents surpass
Teleports skuri.
See if this thing works, okay?
Es tev tas dodu.
There you are. Man, Gordon, you stirred up the hive. We can't keep him here long, Doc. It'll jeopardize everything we've worked for.
Don't worry, he's coming with me.
That's right, Barney. This is a red letter day. We'll inaugurate the new teleport with a double transmission. You mean it's working? For real this time? Because I still have nightmares about that cat. No, there's nothing to be nervous about. We've made major strides since then. Major strides.
What cat?
Doc, since he's not taking the streets, you might as well get him out of the cities. What? Oh dear, you're right. I almost forgot. Barney, I'll give you the honor. I've got to get back on my ship.
Kaut tu garām bats.
Eko viņš ir.
Te kostīms. Jau tā zina.
Damn it, get it off me! Lamar, there you are. I thought you got rid of that pest. Certainly not. Never fear, Gordon. She's debeaked and completely harmless. The worst you might do is attempt to cut your head. Fruitful. Get that thing away from me. Here, my pet. Up, up. No, not up there. No. Careful, Lamar. Those are quite fragile. Oh, fine. It'll be another week before I can coax her out of there. Yeah, longer if we're lucky.
Barney! You're not an animal person.
Ilgs tas ievads tev ir.
Well, Gordon, go ahead. Slip into your suit now.
O.
Well, Gordon, I see your AGV suit still fits you like a glove. At least, glove-wise.
Ko te piespiedi?
But I'll just acquaint you with the essentials. Now let's see.
Nu, paņem.
The Mark V hazardous environment suit has been redesigned for comfort and utility. Okay, Doc, we don't have time for this. At least get that suit juiced up, Gordon. Good idea. There's a charger on the wall. I've modified your suit to draw power from Columbine energy outlets.
Meanwhile, let's get the show on the road.
Es beidzos. Jā, šeit tas portāls ir. Vot šeit. Jā, šis arī ir. Te, kāds no šitiem vadiem būs nokrits. Skatām šitiem vadiem. Šādi te. Notiks ēd. Šitiem te vadiem un šitiem te jāskatās.
That's not who I think it is.
Indeed it is, and it's our intention to send him packing straight away in the company of your lovely daughter.
Are you ready for us, Dad?
We're all set on this end.
Then let's do it.
Man tagad jāsāk skatīties uz tiem vadiem. Atkārtot citiem te.
Conditions could hardly be more ideal. That's what you said last time.
Hey, yeah, about that cash.
Visualizing in 3, 2, 1.
O, reko izlidoja.
You gonna let Gordon throw the switch?
Go right ahead.
Tad jāiestāda.
Very good. Final sequence. Commencing. Now.
I can't look.
Ai, manas acis. Kur viņa izgaisa?
Well, did it work?
See for yourself.
Hey, Doc.
Kur tur tik labi teleportējās?
My relief is almost palpable.
Fantastic work.
Well, I can't take all the credit. Dr. Freeman proved an able assistant.
Let's go ahead and bring Gordon through.
Right you are. Speak to you again in a few moments. Good job, Gordon. Throwing that switch and all. I can see your MIT education really pays for itself. All right, buddy. Your turn. Gee, thanks. Gordon, as soon as you're in position, we'll send you to the lab.
Tikai lūdzu uzmanīgi. Ei! Kur es esmu? Ei! Ļauj man iziet ārā. Kas tas ir? Ļaujiet iziet man ārā. Kas tas ir?
If you'll be so kind. Good luck out there, Gordon. Yes, indeed. We're
Hey.
ready to project you, Gordon. Bon voyage, and best of luck in your future endeavors.
Izliet man ārā, man šeit te nepatīk. Ei!
What is it? It's your
Ai! Ko? Kas te ir? Ai! Ko? Kas notiek? Ei! Ei! Izlaidiet mani ārā ātrāk, nu! Laidiet mani ātrāk!
What's the meaning of this? Who are you? How did you get in here?
Ai! Izlaidiet mani ārā! No šejienes, lūdzu! Es lūdzu, izlaidiet ārā, nu! Izlaidiet ārā, ko es saku?
I'm all but certain it was.
Nu, izlaidiet ārā, saku. Izlaidiet ārā, nu, beidzot. Izlaidiet. Ei!
Shut it down! Shut it down!
Ei, tu... Ei, tu uz mīskasti, nu.
O, kur ciki.
Tad ir jābēg no šitiem te. Tad beidzot mani jūs fočēt. Nu, tā mēs varam nedabūs.
O, tu tā mēs.
Thanks. O, sveiks.
Hey, Gordon! The Citadel's on full alert. I've never seen it lit up like that. Get out of City 17 as fast as you can, Gordon. Take the old canals, right? They'll get you to Eli's lab. It's a dangerous route, but there's a whole network of refugees, and they'll help you if they can. I'd come with you, but I gotta look after Dr. Klein. Oh, and before I forget, I think you dropped this back in Black Mesa. Good luck out there, buddy.
Paldies! O, tad mums vajadzēja šito te. Tā nekā nav.
Šito arī vajag.
Nav. Ai, manas acis! Apat, sanāksi ilgi. Nē. Ei, nu ko jūs šaujat? Tas nav godīgi. Nav turieni jāiet. Es varu arī skriet. Nu. Vieglāk ir šādi te. Vienkārši paņemsim no tā. Ej!
Kā aizsegumi var izmantot. Skrien ar viņu, tad ir prom.
Ai!
Vai nekas.
Nē, bet parādi... Nē, tā ir tā pati vieta. Varēja arī tā pātru aizlaist. Tā, un šita vajag nosaivoties. Uz kurien jāiet? Redz, šeit. Un te pār. Davai! Kaučai un neņems. Policija. Ir.
Es domāju, ka mēs arī varam tagad pirmo sēriju tuvākajā laikā beigt.
Jā.
O, jau tīroci dabūju. Ļoti labi. Un tad nākamajā sērijā mēs varēsim turpināt, tad jau būs vēl interesantāk. Tā tikai jāsaglabā.
Viss tā jāskrien ir šeit.
Jā.
Netiks. Tur netiek. O, tur ir tik. O, tur.
Tur vilciens jāsagaida, vai tik nebija, ne?
Jā, bija.
Laic virsū. Tagad jau laic virsū. Izdevās.
Iekšā mājā. Davai, nu.
Ot, es domāju, te arī var saglabāties. Šoreiz beigt.
Es darīšu. Un šita saglabāsimies un turpināsim nākamajā sērijā.
Jā.
Visiem atā.
Visiem čau.